The M5 MacBook Air was almost perfect, but there's a few features I wish Apple would include to make the Air truly a perfect computer. So in this video, we're going to talk about the 3 things I think Apple needs to do in future MacBook Air models. The first thing Apple needs to upgrade is the display. So it's still a standard liquid retina display. I think Apple needs to change it to using the same mini LED technology in the Pro lineup, or even go all the way up to an OLED screen. This would give better colors, better contrast, and also add higher brightness levels to the Air, because this tops out at 500 nits of brightness, and the Pro is double the brightness at 1000 nits, and it also supports HDR content, which the Air still does not. Also, while we're talking about display technology, I think Apple needs to include ProMotion in the Air lineup as well, so that you get the 120 Hz refresh rate, and moving your cursor around the screen, resizing apps, and interacting with the OS would feel smoother than ever. So really, the display is the biggest drawback to the MacBook Air right now. But the next feature that is a pipe dream, but that would be an absolute game changer for the MacBook Air, is a cellular modem, where you could use this with an eSIM. This would make the MacBook Air perfect for travel setups if you want to use this in coffee shops, or you're always on the go because you don't have to worry about finding local Wi-Fi, or you don't have to be pairing it to your phone, which I know pretty much any phone can have a hotspot, but that will eat into your phone's battery life. You got to either plug in a cable to your phone to keep it charged, or you're just going to be dealing with an extra connection, and having that built in to the MacBook Air, always ready to go, would be a fantastic feature that I would definitely spend extra money on just for the convenience factor of it. The last feature that I think Apple really needs to include with the next generation of the MacBook Air is Thunderbolt 5. And I know a lot of people are going to say Thunderbolt 4 is plenty fast, but Thunderbolt 5 allows you to have even faster external SSD speeds that match the internal drives of the MacBook Air. And it's also more helpful if you want to keep more devices plugged into a docking station. So a lot of the docking stations that are coming out use Thunderbolt 5, and they're still backwards compatible with Thunderbolt 4, but Thunderbolt 5 reserves extra bandwidth for external displays to push higher refresh rates, or also for higher resolution. And just having that extra bandwidth available with the MacBook Air, in my opinion, would honestly be huge for allowing you to keep more external devices plugged in. As it stands, the M5 MacBook Air is almost perfect, but these 3 features being upgraded would make the MacBook Pro almost irrelevant to me. I know the MacBook Pro already has Thunderbolt 5 ports if you get the M5 Pro chip. I know it has the better display, but the MacBook Pro weighs 0.7 pounds more, which doesn't sound like a lot, but if you pick up the MacBook Air and then you pick up the MacBook Pro, you will notice the extra size and weight that it has to offer. So if Apple could include all these features in the M6 or future generations of the MacBook Air, that would go a long ways to making this the perfect computer. But what do you think? Do you have any other features you would like to see in the MacBook Air? Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you need help picking out a computer right now, visit my website at adamtalks.tech/Mac for personalized Mac buying advice.